Shapa phethe kunjani cameraman thina Mfocus Well Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi-one. Paka chuchu.
Wala bafethu kunjani? Ntoza abantu on the screen will come again with another episode of Football Fusion.
Bafethu ke awusibonga support siyayibona inumbers yanyuka nibambe kanjalo. So bafethu in today's video we're looking at the Orlando Pirates as sazi sonke ukuthi nayo pre-season is Spain. Kyle cool. I think last time we spoke about your new signings and you now Spain we are prepared. We see Orlando abanye bafana from your TTC. It seems like you have a very huge squad, but overall siyazi ukuthi uzobadinga. So we will touch as well ukuthi Orlando Pirates will be playing in 5 different tournaments, the impact that these boys can make. I don't know, my guy. What's your take?
Yeah, I think maybe where we can start is the reason to go to Spain.
Yeah.
Part of the reasons to go there, I think, is to face or to play kuma conditions from train our con.
Yeah.
That are not so favorable. That helps in terms of reach a new limit when we're training. Yeah, I'm talking about heat conditions.
Yeah.
It's very hot during this time. I know in South Africa,
So
hot, go hot towards December.
Yeah.
That side, it's their summer right now. So that's why it's important to utilize that time. Also, the facilities. It's not the same facilities that maybe we may be using when we are in South Africa. You know? And you are solely using football facilities, you know. I don't know if we are not using, we were not again in South Africa. Mangabe singeko a grounding, you would find out maybe our kama suitable facilities to actually train a football player.
Yeah.
I'm just making an example. But going there, you know very well what this place is built for just one thing and one thing only, football.
Yeah.
It's a training center for football. So it's quite very important. I wanted to start from there before Sidlulela Pambi because it's season, that's why it's season. We've been there for, I think it's our third season.
Time. Yeah.
Third or fourth season, somewhere there.
Going to Spain.
It already has results to show how it helps us, you know, in terms of conditioning abadlali babe ready for the season. We've already made our signings and we spoke about the signings that we have made and we released players as well, you know. But it was good to see them playing, you know. It was good to see the new players playing and playing kulama conditions njengoba nje ya. We want to see them mhlambe besheshe ukujwayela, mhlambe it would help them ukuthi basheshe ukujwayela and then bakwazi uku-assist the team as the season starts. Bakwazi uku-assist the team, but nje we will always applaud the management for taking this thing serious, because at the end of the day this shows ngempela you taking this thing that serious to allow players to focus just only on their job, which is playing football, you know, and do that to the best of their ability, you know. Yeah.
So khuluma ngegame leyo oyidlalile eyi-1 le. Uzokhuluma ngaleyo to see these players playing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Just to add I wish most of my teams who PSL they would have this time with bahambe, but unfortunately it's just like the big teams are the only one that afford ukuhamba by somewhere. Because for me, I think it also adds with abadlali bakhona focus njengobusha. It's not like muhambe emgwaqeni there's someone ofuna ukushutha nawe.
Exactly.
We have distract. It's like you are used to the same routine enza mangisekhaya ngizoyenza look. So there you know ukuthi you wake up it's with the team, second being with the chance yodlala, you know, the energy coming back to ukuthi kuzodlala a new season. Ne company team kuzobukhamba grand. So I wish PSL more teams could be doing that.
Yeah.
And then which you not follow which is Spain, hopefully so we are no Pirates.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
Yeah, but because we've already touched on it's good to see these new players playing as well. Like obviously we won't go technical because it's like giving the boys a chance, seeing them. But maybe we can touch on a few players that might have impressed you.
Yeah, but we can touch on some
Yeah.
such players, you know, like in the Uzulu. That's the first one, man.
Yeah.
That I was so impressed about. Yeah, I see him as a serious contender for that starting lineup
Yeah.
this season because he's solid when it comes to reading the game. Uyamaga.
Yeah.
So really, and also he's got height. That's one thing I saw about him. Defending the height, it means that he really linear advantage.
Yeah.
Something like that. So it was good to see umdlalo ofana naloyo. Obviously Chabatana, we already know Chabatana. I think it's more of having him playing now.
Yeah.
I was also impressed by, I think everyone was impressed by Opadina. Yes, Popo. Yeah,
Very impressive.
That one is the one to look. That one is the one for the future. Honestly, again, shout out to the scout, Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
They're doing marvelous job in scouting this talent.
Angimbona hlala for long, but yeah. I don't know. Ngathi ufuna ukudlula. I don't know, seeing already Upane coming back and scoring, mhlambe, do you see him having a season a right without injuries, obvious?
I hope. I would say I hope because it's been a long
Yeah.
time, you know. It's not like it's just one season.
Yeah,
Gonna be
yeah,
available.
yeah.
Yes. Ngathi usehlale kakhulu ekubeni having a potential. Now I think it's about time where he shows what he's made of, and also if he can stay injury free, because that's what hinders his game a lot. Yeah, well. So if he can stay injury free, I think he's on a striker that we have. I think I'm a Pirates fans. They would say that we need a striker. I would also say siyasdinga a striker mhlambe, because at the end of the day akukho guaranteed ukuthi he will perform alright. But he's on a striker that I think can score over 15 goals if season imvuma, if I would put it that way. Yeah, he would score a lot of goals if ngempela season imvuma, because we goal poacher. That guy, he's a goal poacher. Ama movements awenzayo around the box, you can see what is a striker's movement, and also indlela akwazi ngakhona pick spot. He reminds me of Harry Kane a little bit. Yeah. Because a lot of South African players, not only just we Pirates, you find out ukuthi they just shoot to goalkeeper. Umuntu akapick spot to
Akana intention
yes, exactly.
Bangishayile.
That's why we are so praising Leon Sundowns. It's because he is coming up with picking the spot, which is something esingenayo kakhulu in South African football. Even ama midfielders akhona. Umuntu ukhahlele epalini. I-intention of scoring somewhere, it's just nje ukuthi hayi malibhekane nokeeper maliyekile lizoba phakathi. Yabo. And sometimes you would have to maybe ususe kancane ukuthi sway away from goalkeeper, you know. Yeah, such things. Otherwise, I'm happy with what I'm seeing. Squad Sam is cool kakhulu mfethu. I've released a lot of players and I'm happy with what I have right now, because remember kusenabadlali abafana noMbatha, Siema, Apolis, who are not part of the setup right now because they were playing with Bafana. Okay, Siema, I think in the coming games they will get involved.
It's like most senior players didn't get involved in this one, because UCBC as well didn't play hot, or you know.
Exactly. So it's good. I think it's good to see players ongajwayele ukubabona during the season playing kahle. Yeah. And also doing well, because it's not just playing. I think when we put in a team that looked more stronger, that's when we dropped our performance. But first half we were doing so well.
Yeah.
Even marking wise, that's why in Ngoma Uzulu.
Uzulu.
Marking wise, you talk about Osilepe, Eswini, what they were doing. Yeah, it's a pity we have Umasangai. One day we'll talk about him. But yeah, namhlanje I don't want to talk about any performances afana nalawa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ngingazi ke says in closing mina sengizibuzela ke as much as senior players amaningi didn't play right, it seems like you were just giving this boy chance yokuthi ubabone going to the next season. So going to the next season, how would you picture Orlando Pirates being isethe ngakhona? Would you put these young boys more or a mixture of the senior players? How would you think of going?
The template is there, man. It's the blueprint. You know very well, Uti, there has to be a young player that is getting minutes with Orlando Pirates. That's why, if you check Kugabo Twitter or somewhere, they will talk about dancing. It's their time now to shine. Since you know, because we are always looking at the next coming star from our development. So, and it's a clear mandate from the management for that matter. So it's something that we expect ukuthi izokwenzeka vele, yabo. Noma ngeke kuze kuba ama-minutes amangakanani, but we are expecting to see them playing. I think Padime will get more minutes. That's my thinking.
Yeah. I think it's well deserved as well. And yes. I hope Nodalda will get some minutes. About goalkeeper. Yeah. He can get minutes, but you can't shy away from the fact that China is our number one. Yeah.
When ungaba nenkinga, but we don't have a problem with China. China is our goalkeeper. He has saved us a lot in the past. It's the first time where you talk about Orlando Pirates. During our success right now, I think Sakina. I would count very, very long back. When did we have like a solid goalkeeper like Uchain? I know you as a supporter or as a chief supporter, you don't see importance yake. But as Pirate supporters, we see importance yake because
why ungisuke?
Singathi sagcina ngoMonique Josephs to have a goalkeeper who's that solid, and around that time we have success to show for that. So a goalkeeper is always important to have a solid goalkeeper. Namanje we have success to show for having China between the post. Yeah.
You're defending
I'm not defending.
You're defending your title. No. Are you defending your title?
Yeah, obviously, I think that goes without a say. I cannot say you would think you want to finish number 8 already last season. Give number 1. So in finally, we're seeing ourselves. We are the team to beat anyway. Everyone knows the Pirates that we should expect. It comes with big responsibility. So, but with big responsibility, we're expecting to go even further. I think the biggest thing that we can do this season is CAF. But angifuna ukuthi sibuke because it's easy to just be deceived ngaleyo nto leyo because Sundowns has done well. But I'm looking to see us going far with CAF. We may not take it this season, but let's go far. You know, because mawuzo ibuka ngehlo lokuthi Sundowns ithathe so that we can take it. Exactly, you know, and you will be so disappointed to judge to coach ngesizini kanjalo. Leyo nto leyo izogcina affecta ama domestic tournaments. And we still have to defend those tournaments and do well with CAF. That's my approach to this thing.
Tripoli ithatha futhi naye khona zoyithola.
Yeah, I'm looking to take every trophy that I played. Yeah, it's been proven. It's been proven over the years. That's why I'm talking about 4 MTN 8. If I take MTN 8 this season, which is the first cup of the tournament to take, of the season to take, that would mean that MTN 8 has to build a new cup.
Yes.
Because
Sayithatha
kathathu
eyakho.
sekuyami.
Yeah.
Kufanele nginikeze the original.
Yes.
Khathela ama-copy mina.
Aye.
So we're playing for a big thing. And I'm happy ukuthi you are part of the tournament. But siyazikho lapho. Angifuni ukuthi athi hayi ngoba besigekho.
Obviously this year uyazi ukuthi yaphi.
Yeah,
So
okay.
bafethu today you heard it. I-Orlando Pirates ese-Spain iya-prepare. Uthi umbono iyabuya i-triple yabo bathatha ne-league na-cap bafuna ukuhlupha.
I see ourselves. Mina ngathi nje I see ourselves taking every trophy that we are playing.
There you heard it bafethu.
Yeah.
Angazi
If
ngithini.
ungenzekanga
Angazi
kwenzekanga
ngithini.
but kahle that's how high can you aim? You can aim even higher because you have already reached this high. Then see ukuthi ke ikuthatha, can you go even higher than that?
Asazi bafethu
Yeah.
commentani nisho ukuthi ngithini nge-Pirates. Mina ngufisela inhlanhla, it's a new season.
Hayi.
I wish you all the best. Ngifisela inhlanhla i-Orlando Pirates mina. That's all I can say. Have a lovely season. See you on another one.